In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the iPhone 17 Pro Max camera button. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now I have my 17 Pro Max right here, and if you didn't know, there's actually a camera button which is on the right side, which is going to look something like this. It's this little thing right here, and this is obviously the power button that's like on every iPhone, every recent iPhone, but then you're also going to see this button here, which is going to be separate to like an action button that you might have configured on the left side. So what you want to do is, if I just went ahead and clicked this, it's going to instantly open up the camera application right here. And then what I could do is, if I just wanted to take a quick capture, maybe I don't want to like tap my screen, I could just go ahead and press that, and as you can see, it just takes the picture. What I could also do though is start holding it, and it's going to start recording. So it's up to you how you want to do it, and then as soon as I let go, it stops recording. And yeah, it's literally as simple as that, but it does have quite a few functionalities. It is pretty cool, and I definitely recommend using it if you haven't already. But it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through, and you might find something you didn't know about yet.